Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. This is Camille, also known as GlamCam, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys my new and improved hot oil treatment routine. Okay, so stay tuned if you want to get that tea on length retention, flexibility, and strength for your natural hair, if you know what I mean. Okay, so let's get started. So first things first, if you're new here, thanks for tuning in, guys. My name is Camille and I make hair videos, sometimes makeup videos, and I'm getting into lifestyle videos. I want you guys to hit that subscribe button and get in tune with the fam, okay, and stay up to date on my informative and entertaining and hopefully inspiring posts. And I hope to see you guys in all of my other videos. And if you are returning, thanks for returning back, sister girl, girl, you know what I'm saying? And thanks for tuning in, guys. So let's get started. All right, so for this hot oil treatment, the main star in this routine, of course, is going to be the oil you choose. If you hear a lot of commotion in the back, it is thunderstorming right now, so please don't worry about that. But anyways, this is my DIY oil mix, guys, and this is the star. This is really gonna, you know, set this whole routine off. So I'm gonna get more into what's in that oil and everything. Just stay tuned. So I'm just gonna go over all of the things you're gonna need initially, just to make sure that you have all of your tools and equipment before you even jump start into this sometimes messy routine. Okay, so of course you're gonna need your oil of choice. You're gonna need some water, you know what I'm saying. You're gonna need a microwave because this is a hot oil treatment, therefore you are going to heat up that oil. Okay, and in my case you're gonna need a glass or small bowl. I got this glass bowl from my local grocery store. You could probably get something like this off of Amazon, but any small bowl will do. You're gonna need some clips, of course, you know, just to hold your hair, whatever. And then you're gonna need a shower cap, and you also are going to need a hair dryer if you do plan on sitting under the dryer, to allow the oil to marinate and soak into your hair, which is obviously recommended. Okay, so those are the things you're gonna need. So I'm giving you guys this video because I want to set July off with a bang, doing all of the hair regimen, healthy hair regimen techniques that I initially was supposed to incorporate into my regimen back when I was doing the hair growth challenge. Check that video out. But yeah, so I'm actually going to get into the tradition or routine of doing hot oil treatments every wash day. And as you can see, I'm looking a little busted because it is wash day and I don't care. So yeah, so back to this oil. This oil I made with my collection of oils. And guys, I know a lot of people do not have 20 different types of oils in their possession. If you would like to try out my oil, my DIY oil, I will make a product form of this oil, of course sanitized and packaged. Just shoot me an email and I can ship that out to you guys. And yeah, I'm telling you guys, this oil is going to be the truth. Like, watch my DIY videos, y'all know I be hooking some stuff up. Okay, so yeah, this oil has, of course, you see this at the bottom, this is butter. This is avocado butter, and so when the oil cools, it does solidify a little bit. I also have coconut oil, I have argan oil, I have my special made infused oil in here as well. I have olive oil, sunflower oil, safflower oil, sweet almond oil, hemp seed oil, neem oil, pumpkin seed oil, jojoba oil, Abyssinian oil, and yeah, did I say coconut? I have coconut in here too. And I do have essential oils such as tea tree, lavender, clary sage, and frankincense. I have vitamin E oil in here, and I do have a preservative in here. So if you do want to purchase a product form of my oil mix, it will be preserved to last in the shelf life, and it will be in an amber bottle so that it does not oxidize. So hit me up. Hit me up for this hair growth oil, okay? I do plan on making this into a product later on. But yeah, first come, first serve. Give me your tea, give me your spill. I may even do a giveaway. So just send me an email, and I would like other opinions on this oil. So yeah, we're gonna use this oil for, of course, length retention, due to the flexibility that oil adds to your hair, especially prior to wash day. When you wash your hair, there is a lot of manipulation, and oil helps to give your hair some flexibility, some slip, and some strength to endure the manipulation that you apply to it during the wash day, combing it and washing it and all that stuff. So yeah. Okay, so let's get into it. That's about the oil. It does have a lot of beneficial properties: linoleic acids, oleic acids, all of the stuff, y'all, vitamins, minerals. Like, it has so many oils in here. It has covered the full range of benefits that can be applied to your hair through oil. All right, so let's get into it. Okay, so first things first, you're going to have to take your oil and you're going to microwave it for 30 seconds. Yes, so we're going to microwave it. I am going to go microwave this. I will be right back. Okay, so when you do microwave it, obviously the butter dissolves and you just want to shake it up. Now you can do 30 seconds to a minute. I just did 30 seconds. You just shake it up. And this is it all mixed up with all of the benefits and what have you. Okay, so once you have your oil all heated up, you're gonna take your glass bowl and pour a little bit in the bowl, okay? So you don't wanna pour too much because you wanna use all of that's in the bowl. You don't wanna end up having to pour it back or waste it. So we're just gonna pour a little bit like that. That's probably a little too much. That'll probably last my whole head. So yeah, once you pour that in the bowl, we're gonna take your towel, put it around your neck, because like I said, this process can be a little messy if you're not careful and you don't want to make a mess. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and start with one section of my head, and I'm going to take the water and I'm going to lightly spray my hair in water. I don't want to drench it. I just want to dampen it so that the hair absorbs the oil. Now you can spice this up and use aloe vera juice. Today I'm just using water because all of my aloe vera juice is mixed up with other ingredients, and I just want to make this really simple. So I'm just going to use simple old plain old water that never steers you wrong. Okay, I'm already pulling out shed hair. I'm just going to dampen up the hair. You're going to squeeze it through. And yeah, it's damp. So now I'm going to separate my hair into 6 sections. In the back, in the middle. This is where the clips come in. Okay, so with the back section, we're going to start this oil treatment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the oil and obviously apply it to my hair and my scalp, and I'm going to massage it in. So let me turn around. So I'm going to add it to my scalp, not too much, because when it's dripping it gets really annoying. So we're going to rub that in the scalp, rub it through the roots, and then we're going to put it all on the hair. It's nice and warm. You want to get the back as well. Okay. Now you just want to use enough to coat the hair. You don't want it to drip per se when you do this part, because you only need enough to coat every hair strand. You don't need to, even though we are going to drench it, obviously that's what the bowl is for, but we'll get to that and how to do that properly. So I focus more on the hair strands because we're going to get to the ends later on, and I'm just going to start twisting it once every strand is coated in the oil. Okay, and then once I get to about 3/4 down, I take the bowl and I dip my ends lightly in the oil. Okay, and you want to dip it so that it is dripping. But with that, you're going to also distribute it up the rest of the 3/4 part. And this helps pull out a lot of shed hair because it adds weight to the shed hair that is hanging on the end, and it helps you to pull it right out. And the reason that you want to dip the ends in the oil directly is because you want to make sure that your ends are saturated, because that is the most fragile part of your hair. And you want to make sure, and it's usually the most dry and brittle, so you want to make sure that you completely saturate that and give it the most tender loving care, if you know what I mean. So I hate twisting my hair when there's shed hairs dangling, so I just make sure that there's no hairs dangling before I twist it up. And I love this oil because it smells so good. It smells like so medicinal. It has frankincense, clary sage, and a little bit of tea tree oil, and a little bit of lavender and eucalyptus oil in it. It smells so good. Yeah, I went all out with this oil. Okay, and then once you're done twisting it up, we're just going to bantu knot it and move on to the next. And that's literally how you do this hot oil treatment. Also, I do want to note that another way to use this towel, if it's not really serving you around the neck, you can also use it when you do dip your ends into the oil. If the oil is dripping, you can use the towel to dab out a little bit of the oil so that it isn't like leaking all over your face and body. So it's just used to help pat out that excess oil. Now, if you do want your ends to have a little bit more control, you can twist it up all the way and then dip the ends into the oil. But I advise that once you do that, you do take out the twist up to 3/4 half and then distribute it evenly throughout the hair and then twist it back up. So I'm going to try that now. The hair is twisted up. Oop. Drain it. And then you do take the oil and rub it through the ends. I'm telling you, I just know that doing this for like a month straight, I'm going to be seeing such a difference, like a transformation in the ends of my hair and my hair overall, because the trouble I have is with my hair being so brittle and sometimes just snapping from weakness, that I just know that once I start coating my hair in the nutrients of this oil and literally do a hot oil treatment where heat activates the oil and really makes a difference, it will totally transform my hair. Okay, I have hot oil treated my hair. While I've oil treated, I'm about to heat it. And I'm probably going to sit under here for about 30 minutes. You guys know what a hair dryer looks like. A sit under hair dryer. Just sit under your at-home hair dryer for however long you feel necessary, depending on the state of your hair or what your hair can take. I'm probably going to do it for about 30 minutes, and then I'll be back. Okay, I am back from the dryer. I sat under there for about 30 minutes. And as you can see, I did not wipe anything with this towel. I had no drippage, no mess or anything. I don't know if I was just super accurate in the amounts that I applied to my hair, or if this oil just got sucked right up into my hair because of the water or because it needed it and the vitamins or whatever. But it was a pretty clean process. I'm really content with that. That's gonna motivate me to do even more hot oil treatments. So this is how my hair is looking afterwards. It's nice and warm. And yeah, so now I'm gonna go ahead and continue on with my wash day. I just wanted to come on here and show you guys my new and updated hot oil treatment, since I forgot to do it in my wash day routine and I told you guys that I would deliver that to you. However, I did show you guys an enhancement by dipping your ends into some oil. I hope that was some good advice for you guys. If you learned anything from this video, please comment your favorite part down below. Subscribe to my channel and like this video if you learned something new. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for... Wow. Anywho, I'm gonna clean up that mess, but thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I hope you learned something new and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thanks again.